screen. Okay, so you're in here right now, the Google Doc, okay? Start from scratch. We're gonna make a template that you guys can edit whenever. Okay, and I'm gonna shoot this all out to you right after this. I'm gonna post it on that today's meet, okay? So I go create, what am I gonna hit? Form. And spreadsheet. So when I hit form, it makes a spreadsheet. It makes them side by side. A form is a spreadsheet. The form is the windows for the spreadsheet. Is that okay? Okay. So now I'm here and I'm going to title it. I suggest doing a generic title, and I suggest doing the same form for everything. So I'm going to call it Lesson Reflection. That's what I like to call it. Okay? So now I'm going to press Save. And I'm going to go up here and hit this little guy. Okay, ignore this. You never need this. Just ignore it. Now, what's the first thing I want to get from them? No. Yes, because, now let's look at why. They fill out the video, and what's the first thing they're doing? The first thing they're doing is chewing on this. So they can be watching it and solving it. And then at the very end, they submit their name and everything. I don't want all of this getting in the way of the thinking they have to do first. I want that to be last. You think this is, I mean, remember, I'm 1/6 of their day. That's a small part. I want the information to just be everything there, you know? So remember, like, that's first. So you don't have to do multiple choice, but I'm going to do it. So this sample question, I'm going to hit this guy right here. Remember, this is all being recorded. And I hit edit. Okay? Now, I go down here to question type, and I choose multiple choice. So, if I'm teaching AP Biology, they switched it to 4 choices. So I'm going to go A, B, C, D. If I teach, it depends on what I teach, you know? That's going to be my template if I'm teaching AP Biology or AP Chemistry next year. It all depends. Now I switch this to multiple choice. I make it required, and I hit done. So now they have to fill this out, or else it won't let them submit the sheet. Does anyone need me to slow down here? Are you okay? Okay, good. By the way, forms are amazing. Okay. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to hit this edit button, and I'm going to say essay question. I mean, I'm just going to say generic essay question. You guys can do whatever you want. I did the whole, like, how did you solve it? But let's just do 2 questions right now. Now, what do I want to choose for this one? Paragraph text. So it makes it bigger. And I want to make it required. Okay, you guys cool with that? All right. Now, we're not fully done yet. I'm going to hit save. There's one thing here that is very, very powerful. So, where are these questions? Bottom of the video. And what do you think kids want to know after they hit submit?
What their grade was.
What their grade was. But this is all pass, no pass. I think that's the first thing, too. It's like, for me, it's pass, no pass. They want to know, what do you think they really want to know? If they got it right or not. They want immediate feedback, and that's great. But I don't want them to get the feedback until they did this. I want it to be strategic. So I want to hide the feedback in a way where they have to press submit before they get it. So here's a cool hack. More actions. Edit confirmation. Do you guys know what that is? The edit confirmation is a little thing you get when you hit submit. You guys ever filled out a form and you get that?
Yes.
You can edit that. So let me show you what you can do. You could record or post solutions to the questions, and you put the link to it here. So they're not going to get it until they hit submit. Let me show you what that looks like. I'm just going to show you my class site again so you see what I mean by that. Okay, so I'm going to go here, and I'm going to fill in some garbage, okay? And I told the kids they can't do it. I don't see any garbage in the spreadsheet. So I know this is me right now. So I fill in some stuff, blah, blah. They hit submit. What's going to pop up when they hit submit? The edit confirmation. But our edit confirmation is the solutions. See that? So I just put direct links in the edit confirmations to give them solutions to the questions in the video. So it's like a video within a video. Yeah, so I'm using an app called Show Me on my iPad to make these solutions. So if I click on this, it takes them to a video.
Okay guys, so this is the lesson 3B solutions. So for the multiple choice question, it basically asks which one of these has hydrogen bonding.
So I just really quickly, some of you out there be like going, whoa, it's a lot of work and stuff. Like, totally not. You make the video, I get out my phone, I get out my iPad, my wife's iPad, and I make the thing on the video. I get the link, I put the link in the edit confirmation, and that's it. Done. So you guys can edit here. So this is link here, you know, and you just build it as a library, and that's it. So now we have the spreadsheet, okay? But we need, what do we need? The really cool piece. We need the script. So watch this. Oh, but what do I need to add here? I need to add a box where they give me their email. So let's put some demographics in. So I'm just going to put email right now. So they need to give you their email. This is the major thing. This has to happen. I went up here to add item. So Google Forms always leaves you with 2 stock questions first. And then if you want to add more, you keep adding them in there. Is that okay? Where do you see email? Nowhere. I just picked text and I made it as a question. So I'll make one for just name right now too. See that? So they're just going to write it in there. I'm assuming they're going to make their email correctly in there. So now I'm going to go to the spreadsheet. Okay, I'm going to go to my drive, and here's the spreadsheet. It just made a spreadsheet for me. Is that okay? Okay. So I hit it. Now this is the spreadsheet that would collect that stuff. And if I want to get back to edit it, I just go form, edit form. Is that okay?
I'm trying to figure out how to do
Okay.
that.
And this little thing here tells me how many people filled it out. But I don't see, what I don't see is the script. Don't be scared by this. It's really easy, okay? Just say yes to every question it asks you, okay? That's all you got to know. It's like when someone gives you directions, they just go right. Keep going right. Just say yes to everything. Okay, so watch. Insert, what am I going to go? Oh, let's do the column first. So I want the column next to the essay question. Okay, so I'll say, I'll just say email feedback right here. I'll just do it here. Doesn't matter. Okay, I'm going to make it a different color because I just want to make it a different color. Okay. So now I'm going to go insert script at the bottom. Okay, I say insert script. There's a script that'll grade everything for you. There's all kinds of cool scripts. This script, though, is called Form Emailer. Okay. So 2 pop-ups. So that's all I did. I typed in Form Emailer. You with me? Then I hit, you choose the bottom one. I don't know why. I just always choose the bottom one. It always works. So let me do this for you. So I hit install. This is the saying yes part. So you just wait and you say yes and you say authorize. You just keep doing it, okay? So it's installing this script. What it's doing is it's putting a bunch of code behind the spreadsheet that I don't know how it works. I don't care how it works, okay? So I say authorize, close. Okay, now you see this. It's there, right? It's there. So now I go into Form Emailer and I say install. And this is the part that I'm recording right now. This is the part that's a little tricky. I suggest, go do this once and you have it always, okay? So I hit install. I just keep saying install, all kinds of stuff, okay? Now this fancy, ugly thing comes up with all this scary stuff. It's made 2 sheets at the bottom. You never need to go here, okay? So just go down to the sheet 1 and I'm going to say settings. And this is where I'm going to put the script. This is where I'm going to put the body of the email that they will receive, okay? So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to get rid of all that because it's scary, and I'm going to uncheck HTML because I don't know what HTML is, okay? I just have a cool thing. So when they email it to me, I want them to see my name. So I put my name here. Who do I want to receive the email? Do I know what students? The student in that column, right? So these placeholders are things that are in the columns. So which placeholder do you think I'm going to choose to go in the to box? Email. And I place insert placeholder right there. So now whoever fills in that column, their email is going to go here. Okay? I'm going to put lesson feedback as my title. Now I'm going to say, hi, name, and then insert placeholder. Hi, Jeff. Okay? My feedback is here. Email feedback. Boom. Thanks, Ramsey. Save. Okay, so there it is. Now watch. I'll do one right now. So how am I going to get back to the form? Form. Edit. In this case, I'm going to go to live form. Okay. So I'm doing the video. Okay, it looks like the answer is B. And Mr. M, I have no idea how to do it. This class sucks. You are a horrible teacher. Okay. Then I'm going to put my email in, ramsey.musalam@gmail.com. Name Ramsey. Hit submit. Notice what I see here is that, right? I'm going to get the solutions to it. Do you guys remember when we did that? Okay. Okay, cool. I just want to make sure.
I'm just so grateful that you were screencasting.
Yeah, for sure. Come on, 3 hours? It's ridiculous. Right? We should spend all day. All right. I am. The whole thing is 3 hours. So now here I am, and I'm like, Ramsey, what is your problem? I work so hard to be a good teacher, you a-hole. Okay? All right. So I got it now, and that's in column 2. So I go process manually, and then I just hit column 2. Yeah. Yeah, it's coming. So now I go to my email to see if I got it. And if I got it already right now, I'm going to feel, oh, there it is. Hi, Ramsey. My feedback is here. Ramsey, what's your problem? I work so hard to be a good teacher, you a-hole. Thanks, Ramsey. So that's how quick it is. Like, oh, like very quick, okay? So hold on.